Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. For today's video, guys, ay mag-trim tayo na burn tayo ng calories, and ang workout po natin today, ang exercise na natin is sa ating belly. Sino naman po yung malalaking belly dyan, this is the right exercise for you, this is the right workout for you. Let's go, guys! Samahan. Tara na!
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, every shot.
So, ayun na nga guys. Tapos na tayo. We're done. I am so done. If you wanna lose weight, if you wanna trim down your belly fat, your tummy, big belly, this is the right workout for you. This is the right exercise for you. Try it guys and you will sweat a lot. Papawisan po kayo, lalo na sa weather natin sa Pinas. Do it before it's too late. Let's stay healthy as always. Have an activity. Burn calories for you to stay healthy as well. Ayan, for you to have a healthy body. That's it for today, guys. And mega loud shout out to all my subscribers, to all my followers, to all my silent viewers, to all my friends, relatives, family, YouTube friends, and everyone. That's it for today. I love you all. Ate Lydia here. Signing off. Ciao. Yun na nga guys, diba? I am showing you my tummy. Showing you that even if I am thin, I still have fats. So, diba? Nakita niyo naman, nakakahiya, diba? That's reality. I have to show you that. Pakita ko po sa inyo na kahit po mga payat, kayo may mga belly din. So, it is so easy for me to do it. Ilang ano lang po yan, wala na po yan. It's just how many counts of crunches and ab rollers, and I will get back to the flat tummy. Kasi once na nag-exercise na po kayo when you were younger, babalik po agad yan. Hindi po yun. Alright? Sa lahat po ng may mga big tummy, sa lahat po ng mga problema sa pag-trim down to slim down your tummy and belly and all, subukan nyo lang po. Pag beginner lang po kayo, start na lang po ng mga 10 counts. Pag hindi na po kayo satisfied sa 10 counts, add 5 every day. And every day, add mo ng kung ilan yung kaya. And huwag po kayong sumuko. Basta motivate yourself para po ganahan po kayo. And balanced diet po. Basta ang pagpapapawis po ay malaki pong itutulong sa ating katawan. And long life po yung the best. And nagpapabata po siya kasi magsisweat po kayo. Nilalabas po niya toxins po sa ating katawan. So, maganda po siya. Make it a habit, guys, to sweat, to exercise, and kahit ano pong gawin niyo na pagpapapawis. Basta, wag po kayong sumuko and just continue to sweat and to have an activity para po healthy po ang katawan niyo. And parang while you can do it po habang magagawa niyo pa. Do not wait for the time na hindi niyo na po magagawang kumilos ng ganyan, to move, to dance, and all. the flexes and all. Gawin niyo po while nagagawa niyo po. Huwag niyo na po antayin na sa huli po yung pagsisisi while you can do it. Alright, thank you guys. I love you all. That's my tips for you guys. Basta, laban lang guys. Hindi nyo po makukuha yung goal nyo. Laban lang lagi. And basta, mahalin nyo po lagi yung sarili nyo kasi wala na pong ibang magmamahal sa sarili nyo kung hindi ang just yourself. Love yourself as always guys. Kung hindi nyo man minahal noon yung sarili nyo, mahalin nyo pa lalo ngayon. Kasi noon, hindi ko minahal yung sarili ko. Ang laki ng pagsisisi ko. Kaya ngayon ko palang ginagawa, mahalin ang sarili ko. Nakalimutan ko kasi mahalin ang sarili ko. Kaya, before it's too late guys, do it. Laban lang, just fight for life. Kayo lang po yung makakatulong sa sarili mo to feel better, to feel good, and most of all, to be healthy. Wala man akong yaman, pero health is wealth. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to be updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Evelira here is signing off.